Welcome to InvestEd Central's Market Minute, sponsored by StockCharts.com. Simply the web's best financial charts.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to February 8th Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, president of Invested Central. Right now, we'll get the Dow futures up 19, S&P futures are up 1, and NASDAQ futures are up 4. Both Asian and European markets were higher overnight. The market started out to the downside Tuesday as traders took some profits off the table. The selling didn't last long with the S&P firming up late morning. By the time the market closed, all of the major indexes had advanced, with the NASDAQ hitting an 11-year high. There are no key economic reports due out today. Today we'll get earnings from Cisco and CVS. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day moving average at 1314, the 50-day at 1272, and the 200-day at 1257. We've got support on the S&P at 1333 and resistance at 1356. The S&P inched up higher Tuesday, hitting a near-term high of 1349 before closing at 1347. Even though the S&P remains well below its May 2011 high of 1370, it's in extremely overbought territory, making it more challenging to get back to that level. In fact, the last time we saw the RSI at current levels on the S&P was February of last year, and we can see the S&P stalled before pulling back some. Will we see a repeat performance? It's very possible, so we need to respect what we see. If you set a stop loss on a trade, try to stick with it and only change if there's a very good reason. Otherwise, you might find your losses mounting unnecessarily. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another Market Minute.